Rasta Night Drive. Let the bass line take control. Stepping out into the midnight air, the city lights are bright, but we carry an ancient fire burning deep within the night. Oh, cruising down the highway with the subwoofer in the back. Oh, shaking up the concrete with a conscious digital track. Oh, can you feel the pressure rising in your chest right now? We're about to drop the rhythm, let me show you how. This is the bass boosted reggae for the night drive crew. Deep car bass music moving straight on through. Rasta vibrations in the futuristic style. Keep the energy flowing for another conscious vibes on the open road. Turn the bass up till the speakers glow. The speedometer is rising, but my mind is perfectly still. Chasing after freedom over every valley and hill. With the heavy dub culture blasting through the stereo door. We feel the ancient roots vibrating right through the car floor. The headlights are cutting through the misty air. A Rasta Night Drive taking us away from care.
Some bass boosted music for the late night run. Deep car bass vibration till the rising sun.
Highway steppers keeping the culture alive.
Positive energy inside the Rasta Drive.
We don't need no license for the places we want to go. When the spiritual frequency is setting the radio glow. Leaving all the stress and the Babylon system behind. Finding a deeper sanctuary inside a focused mind. Feel the tires hum against the asphalt street in perfect harmony
with the electronic beat. Some bass boosted music for the late night run. Deep car bass vibration till the rising sun.
Highway steppers keeping the culture alive.
Positive energy inside the Rasta Drive.
Lock, close the doors, let the pressure see. Tonight, we let the subwoofer heal. Oh, oh. Rum, da, 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 da. Rum, 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 rum. Lights are glowing blue against the quiet dark. We're navigating through the streets, leaving the spiritual spark. The world outside is sleeping, but the conscious mind wakes up, drinking deep from the vibration of this heavy rhythm cup. Get ready for the wake, feel the trunk start to shake. This is the conscious meditation that we make. Moving through your spine, Rasta Night Drive, keeping everything aligned. Bass boosted therapy underneath the stars, healing the nation from the comfort of our cars. From the comfort of our cars. never touch. A medicine for people who are thinking way too much. So let the review mirror vibrate to the heavy sound, while the conscious vibrations keep our spirits unbound. Let it shake the system, let it clear the air. Music moving through your spine. Rasta Night Drive, keeping everything aligned. Bass boosted therapy underneath the stars, healing the nation from the comfort of our cars. From the comfort of our cars. Session, sub-therapy, conscious vibes, stay true. Yeah, turn the bass up, let the road open wide. We're fueling up the vehicle with exactly what we need. The radio is blasting out a heavy Rasta strain, washing all the tension and the temporary pain. We're cruising through the evening, the energy is high. We lift up positive intention straight up to the sky. Loud deep car bass music making everybody move. Rasta Night Drive locked inside a heavy groove. Bass boosted reggae setting all the spirit free, vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Every mile we cover is a milestone of peace. Watching all the worries of the daytime slowly cease. The music is an engine that is driven by the heart, bringing people closer even when they are apart. Feel the rhythm engine rev, keep the vibration above the edge. Loud deep car bass music making everybody move. Rasta Night Drive locked inside a heavy groove. Bass boosted reggae setting all the spirits free, vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Check, 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 check. Turn the bass up. Hey, turn the bass up. Let the road open wide. Positive minds, only on this night ride. Leaving all the arguments, leaving all the greed. We're fueling up the vehicle with exactly what we need. The radio is blasting out a heavy Rasta strain, washing all the tension and the temporary pain. We're cruising through the evening, the energy is high. We lift our positive intentions straight up to the sky. Like deep car bass music, making everybody move. Rasta Night Drive, locked inside a heavy groove. Bass boosted reggae, setting all the spirits free. Vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Every mile we cover is a milestone of peace. Watching all the worries of the daytime slowly cease. The music is an engine that is driven by the heart, bringing people closer even when they are apart. Feel the rhythm engine rev, keep the vibration above the edge. Fat deep car bass music, making everybody move. Rasta Night Drive, locked inside a heavy groove. Bass boosted reggae, setting all the spirits free. Vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Complete harmony. Yeah, 2026 cruise, blessings on the road. The system is loaded. Rasta Night Drive, step into the bass domain. Into the shadows where the CD secrets lie. Underneath the coverage of a cloudy midnight sky, the subwoofer is breathing like a monster in the dark, igniting the consciousness with an electronic spark. Can you feel the windshield shaking from the low frequency? This is electronic
Rasta
flow.
Night Drive, keeping all the conscious vibes awake.
Testing out the speakers to the heavy foundation shake. No illusion in a path, we see the road ahead so clear. Protected by the frequencies that eliminate the fear. The baseline is a shield against the matrix and its traps, holding down the culture while the electronic timeline lapses. Let the system breathe. Let the low end take the wheel.
Touch bass, boosted reggae, moving to the car zone.
Deep bass meditation from an electronic
Rasta
drum.
Night Drive, keeping all the conscious vibes awake.
Testing out the speakers to the heavy foundation shake.
Touch bass, touch bass.
Let the system breathe. Let the low end take the wheel.
Touch bass, boosted reggae, moving through the car zone.
Deep bass meditation from an electronic
Rasta
drum.
Night Drive, keeping all the conscious vibes awake.
Testing